Start by holding the EZ bar shoulder width with your hands slightly angled out, making sure that your arms are straight without any bend at the elbow. Raise the EZ bar up, keeping your elbows steady in their starting position throughout the movement. Return to the start position and repeat. Stand tall with your chest up, shoulders back and feet hip distance apart. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please like, subscribe or comment. The quicker the channel grows, the more content I can create. Have a good day.